most of them never had a driver's license.
Well, that's it, they learn to drive after they learn to fly.
Yeah, most of them. Yeah. Statistically, most of them had not driven a car. And they were flying. Escort fighters were not able to stay above the south of England for a long time, so they would leave the bombers on their own. Merlin 1, 2 and 3. Merlin 1 is Paul Bonham, Merlin 2 is the Sessions, and Merlin 3 is Maxi Gaines, we were talking about it recently. Coming from the left.
Notice we've got a couple of clip wing versions in there.
Supposed to be a low altitude dogfighting machine, a little bit than the one. Some people will tell you that. Well, at the time they were fighting a war, so if the aircraft was service, they would use it as it was. But there was a reason. If you look closely at the aircraft flying, you'd see that they're dancing from side to side, and that because of the fact that the air becomes quite turbulent. On the Griffins are Scofield, Lewis, Smith and Christopher, Alan Wade, Mr. Brown, Mr. Coulston, Paul Bonham, Mr. Sessions and Maxi Gaines. And you have to keep on your toes until you have to look at the man in front of you. Is he using the right part of the grass or the left part of the grass? Where am I going to land? Am I going to land? And the rest is quite fascinating because the briefing is...
It's powered by Merlin 266. Colour scheme of 312 Czechoslovakia.
By something like 26 different nationalities.